Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can download a AMD driver for your graphic card. If you first time use AMD GPU, AMD VGA on your PC, you can try to download the drivers from the official website amd.com. So there are two methods. The first method, you can use the auto detect and install driver updates. For easier, you can download these auto detect tools. So the AMD driver auto detect tool is only for use with computer running for Windows 7, 10, and 11, of course, equipped with AMD Radeon graphic, Radeon Pro graphic, AMD processor with Radeon graphic, or AMD Ryzen chipsets. So you can use this. Let the AMD auto detect download the driver for you. Or if you already know what graphic type you have, you can try to download manually. For example, you can choose your graphic card here. So you can try to use a Radeon RX. For example, you have Radeon RX 6000 series, the popular one, Radeon RX 6600 XT. Submit. Then you can download based on your operating system, Windows 11 for example, and try to search the AMD software Adrenaline edition, revision number, the latest one here. And file size is quite up to 1 gigabyte. You can download and install by following the instruction, because it's very easy. There is a guide how you can install from the AMD software Adrenaline edition executable files. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. So click the button below. See you in the next video.